Hello again, guys. Welcome to Ed MTB TV. Back again with another video. Beautiful. So, when I got this bike, I think the guy said that the back brake pads needed changing, so went on Amazon, quickly found hopefully the right pads, and basically just change them and just show you how it's done. For those of you who haven't done a Saints brake caliper, here's how to do it. I've never done one myself, to be honest, so let's get cracking. Tell you one thing though, having brake calipers at the top here makes it so much easier. On my other bike, my Giant Talon, the brake pads were at the bottom here, so you're having to sort of like fight for space. So anyway, yeah. Oh well, yeah. That's you can see the brake pads is proper worn on where you're looking at the right side. Gosh, looks like it hasn't been changed in a while, man. I've a bit of a mission trying to get that one off. Here it is here. I'll show you. Well, here's the replacement. So I think it was a tenner for a pack of 4 from Amazon. Pretty much came a couple of days after. So let's see how it goes. One second, are they the same size? Yeah, they're the same size. So I'm just checking because it seemed to be a bit of a fit, trying to fit them in there. Well, I think I've managed to put it on because I had a bit of a mission trying to squeeze it in, because I think what was happening was there's 4 pistons, the 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. They were sticking out, finding it hard to get in, and by the time I actually got it in, it looked like in between the brake pads there was no room for the brake disc to go through. I don't know, that's as far as I could push it in for now, because like I said, I never really dealt with, well, especially a dual piston or 4 piston brake caliper. If I need to, I might have to just push it, try a bit harder, push them flush, those 4 piston flush on the brake caliper. but I'm going to see how this goes first. Now, you know what, I think I need to push those pistons in a bit more. Right, I think that's probably as flush as I'm going to get it. I'll try again. So all I've done basically was, it's got to be a bit higher. Just got my Allen key, put it across here, and then just push down on the pistons. Anyway, see how that goes. Looks like there's a bit of gap in there now. There we go. Straight in, because earlier that was a struggle to get in, even when it fit in. So yeah, let's get on with the fitting now. Okay, tighten this a little bit more. Not too much, because there's going to be a bit of play there, so I can get the brake pads aligned, so get no rubbing on the brake discs. So yeah, so that's in now. So what I'm going to do is push down on the brake. That's how he's looking there. So ideally what you need to be doing is pushing down on the brake, and then tightening the screws. What it's looking like at the back. Got no room in my garage. It's hard to see in it. You see that there? Right, I'm gonna go take it out. I've got a nice little drive coming down here, so just go up and down there and see how it goes. Well, I think that concludes the video. Needed to wear down a little bit going down the hill. Managed to get it through, and looks like it's stopping a lot better than it was. Well, that's it then, guys. That's the video. I hope some of you find it useful. In the meantime, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Yeah.